other release of this week is Don't Worry Darling. All the ultra silly controversies aside, Don't Worry Darling offers a mixed bag. It is like having a meal where the appetizer and desserts delight your taste buds, but the main course leaves a lot to be desired. In the case of this film directed by actress Olivia Wilde, the production design, costumes and acting is top-notch, but the screenplay is a bit bumpy. By and large, it hinges on the third and final act, and by then you kind of know what is coming. A cross between the Stepford Wives, which was made twice into a film, once in 75 and once in the 90s, and also inspired by the Matrix-like films, Don't Worry Darling benefits immensely from a terrific performance by Florence Pugh, who plays a doting housewife. Set in the 1950s in a desert on the outskirts of California, the film opens with Ray Charles crooning "Nighttime is the Right Time" on the soundtrack. This place is called Victory and it's kind of very fancy. It is a posh locality with smartly dressed people who have fancy cars. Pooh plays Alice, married to Jack, which is played by Harry Styles, and they seem to be madly in love. While the hubby is a hard-working man, she stays home and cooks, does the dishes, laundry and cleaning. You are given a sense very early in the film that there is something odd about the place and no one really knows what exactly is the company, which is run by Frank, played by Chris Pine, does. It is no secret that what they do is a top secret. Alice also gets these strange visions, and add to it, no one really believes her even when she actually sees something. Is her mind playing tricks, or is there more than meets the eye? The screenplay is a mishmash of many films and takes time to find its footing. There are some serious issues it is trying to raise with a critique of society and more, but it doesn't come off effectively as intended. As a thriller, it has its moments, but it is too little, too late. Take the scene, for example, when Alice is trying to tell her friend, which is played by Olivia Wilde, about what she has seen. Now, that particular scene unnecessarily keeps cutting between that conversation and her husband Jack dancing at a party, and that kind of dilutes the whole essence of the scene. While Harry Styles holds his ground, it is the young Florence Pugh who owns the film. She is absolutely first-rate in a film that is not quite in the same league. I'm going to go with 2.5 out of 5 stars for Olivia Wilde's Don't Worry Darling.